Discover the 12 best Wolfcraft tools you must have in 2025. Essential for every DIY enthusiast and woodworking professional. From versatile clamps and precise measuring tools to innovative jigs and cutting aids, Wolfcraft delivers durability, accuracy, and efficiency. These must-have tools simplify complex tasks, improve workflow, and elevate your woodworking projects to a professional level, making them indispensable for any workshop. Universal Angle and Tri-Square. The Wolfcraft. Universal Angle and Tri-Square is a highly versatile, multifunction measuring and marking tool built from durable alloy steel for accuracy and longevity. Available in 300mm 5205000 and 500mm 5206000 versions. It combines essential functions for DIY and woodworking tasks. It works as a 90-degree tri-square, flat square, angle measuring tool with a 45-degree stop, parallel marker and scribing guide. Integrated templates support the 32mm grid system and concealed hinge layout. It also functions as a compass for drawing curves and as a stable jigsaw guide. Dual-sided scales and a removable stop ensure precise, reliable work. Sanding block. The Wolfcraft. Sanding block range offers reliable options for a variety of sanding tasks, from general purpose surface work to shaping contoured areas. The manual sanding block with pliers, PID 2891, uses a sturdy clamping mechanism to hold standard sandpaper securely, providing even pressure for flat surfaces. The foam rubber sanding block, PID 2894, features flexible, water-resistant foam with silicon carbide grit on all sides, making it ideal for both wet and dry sanding on curved or detailed surfaces. The cork sanding block, PID 2896, delivers a lightweight, eco-friendly solution with a natural non-slip grip for simple, traditional sanding. Plasterboard Cutter. The Wolfcraft Plasterboard Cutter 4014000 is a precision tool designed to score, snap, and cut plasterboard in one smooth pass, delivering clean, straight edges with minimal effort. Its aluminum guide rail offers a 900mm cutting length, extendable to 1900mm with an optional rail. The front blade scores the board, which is then snapped and finished by the hooked blade as the carriage returns. Weighing 730 grams, it features ergonomic handling and uses standard trapezium and hook blades. Highly efficient for single-person use, it saves time, though some users note pressure requirements and concerns about long-term durability. Furniture Dolly. Wolfcraft's FT 300 and FT 350. The furniture dollies are highly versatile, durable moving solutions made from strong birch plywood with smooth rolling 75mm swivel casters. The FT 350B offers 5-in-1 functionality, transforming into compact, split, V-shape, flat trolley, and panel cart modes, making it ideal for appliances, longboards, and bulky household items. It includes an ergonomic handle, stoppers, and supports up to 300 kilograms. The FT300 provides 3-in-1 versatility, compact, split, and V-shape modes, handling up to 250 kilograms. Both models are praised for their stability, adaptability, and ease of maneuvering during home or workshop moving tasks. Hand stapler. The Wolfcraft Tachocraft. Hand Stapler series offers reliable ergonomic tools for household, hobby, and DIY projects. The lightweight Tachocraft P10 is ideal for light-duty tasks, while the P14 Plus adds support for nails, adjustable impact force, and a safety lock. For heavier workloads, the metal-bodied M10 delivers excellent stability, and the M14 Plus handles longer staples and nails with an additional impact regulator for precise control. The Tachocraft 6 and 7 sets provide versatile options and include 1000 Type 05 3 staples, making them great all-in-one solutions for beginners and frequent users alike. Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft. Angular Bevel Gauge is a precision woodworking tool designed to measure inside and outside angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and automatically provide the correct miter cut angle. Its automatic angle bisector streamlines setup on a miter saw, while integrated magnets allow quick, secure angle transfer. A one-handed eccentric lever locks measurements easily, even in tight spaces. Some models, like the 695-8000, include a marking gauge for drawing parallel lines. Built from durable plastic with aluminum components, the gauge is available in multiple versions, including models 695-7000, 695-8000, and 69,210,000 across major hardware retailers. Diamond Cutting Disc. Wolfcraft's diamond cutting discs offer reliable, high-performance cutting solutions for a wide range of materials. The Pro Multi-Disc is ideal for renovation jobs, handling stone, wood, plastic, and light metals without requiring frequent blade changes. For demanding masonry work, the Expert Universal Disc delivers long-lasting durability with its laser-welded segments, excelling on concrete, granite, and natural stone. The Pro Ceramic Turbo Disc provides ultra-clean, chip-free cuts in tiles and fine stoneware thanks to its thin, closed-edge design. For budget users, the standard project set offers versatile, affordable discs for common DIY tasks. Japanese Saw. The Wolfcraft. Japanese Saw is a versatile Ryoba-style pull saw designed for clean, precise cutting in woodworking and DIY tasks. Featuring a thin, flexible high-carbon steel blade, it cuts on the pull stroke for better control and reduced effort. Available in 240mm, 6,951,000, and 330mm, 6,955,000. Lengths. It includes a long ergonomic 2-component handle that can be disassembled for compact storage. Its double-edged design offers 2 cutting options: a fine 17 TPI side for smooth crosscuts in trim, laminates, and plastic pipes, and a coarse 8 TPI side for fast rip cuts through beams, joists, and branches. Wood Renovation Kit. The Wolfcraft. Wood Renovation Kit is a versatile 7-piece set designed for restoring both indoor and outdoor wooden surfaces. Perfect for furniture, window frames, and railings, it handles cleaning, sanding, and finishing with ease. 2 versions are available: indoor, Model 5-643000, and outdoor, Model 5-642000, tailored to project needs. The kit includes tools for large surfaces, corners, and intricate areas, featuring easy fix or Velcro systems for quick sandpaper changes. From rough sanding with flat wheel mops to fine finishing with steel wool or burnishing pads, this all-in-one kit ensures professional quality results on any wooden surface. T-Square Parallel Cutter. The Wolfcraft T-Square Parallel Cutter 4008000 is a precision tool designed for accurate cutting and marking of gypsum plasterboard. Its adjustable T-square with a 0 to 180 degree scale ensures exact angular and parallel cuts, reducing extra filling and sanding. The integrated parallel cutter, featuring a high-performance trapezium blade, allows multiple guided cuts in one pass. Made from durable anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion and withstands repeated use. Ideal for both DIYers and professionals, the 3-step cutting process, score, snap, and cut, simplifies drywall work. MG600 Caulking Gun. The Wolfcraft MG600 PRO Caulking Gun Model 4 356000 is a professional-grade manual tool built for heavy-duty use and high viscosity materials. It delivers an impressive pushing pressure of up to 280 kilograms, making it perfect for thick adhesives, bitumen, and construction sealants. Designed with durability in mind, it features a mix of hardened steel, fiber-reinforced plastic, and a robust feed mechanism for long-lasting performance. The ergonomic handle ensures fatigue-free operation, while the drip stop function prevents overflow. Compatible with standard 310ml cartridges. The MG600 PRO comes with a 10-year warranty, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers alike. T-shaft jigsaw blades. Wolfcraft T-shaft jigsaw blades offer versatile cutting solutions compatible with major jigsaw brands like Bosch, Makita, and DeWalt. Available individually or in assorted sets, these blades cover a wide range of materials and applications. HCS blades excel in softwood, chipboard, and plastics, delivering clean, precise cuts. HSS blades handle metals like sheet steel and aluminum for fine, accurate results. Specialized HCS blades provide double-sided clean cuts for laminates or kitchen worktops. Assorted sets, such as 10 or 12-piece packs, combine HCS and HSS blades for all-round use, making them perfect for woodworking, interior projects, and versatile DIY tasks.